What if I told you that in exactly 30 days, your current self will cease to exist? That you can literally hack your brain to build habits, change your posture, and command presence without willpower, but through pure, raw psychology. Most people think change is about motivation. They are wrong. They are being lied to by their own biology. Welcome to the invisible architecture of your life. Here is a psychological fact you probably don't know. Your brain cannot tell the difference between a real memory and a vividly imagined experience. We are going to use that to your advantage. Step 1. The feedback loop trick. For the next 30 days, before you even open your eyes in the morning, visualize for 60 seconds the person you want to be, not doing the work, but having completed it. Feel the emotion of success. Your brain will start building the neural pathways of that success. Next, body language as a tool. If you feel nervous, stand like a superhero. Studios probe, power posing drops your cortisol level, the stress hormone, B, 25%. You are not faking confidence. You are engineering it from the outside in. Now, a moment for brutal honesty. You're probably going to watch this, think that's interesting, and then go back to the same self-sabotaging patterns that keep you here. It's okay. Your brain is designed to seek the comfort of your current identity. Only a tiny fraction of you, the future 1%, will actually take action. If you're okay with remaining in that tiny fraction, then maybe this channel isn't for you. But if you're the type of person who values knowledge that actually moves the needle, then there is a specific button below you might want to press. It's for you, not for me. Now, back to the invisible architect. We are now initiating the 30-day micro-transformation protocol. For the next 4 minutes, watch how consistency compounds. We start with the 1-minute daily habits. This isn't about the task. It's about rebuilding your identity. Day 1, you write one goal. By day 15, you are architecting your day. Hyperlapse. We integrate skill microbursts. 5 minutes of focused practice per day in a new skill, not to master it, but to break the psychological barrier of it's too hard. Hyperlapse. We use physical mirroring for 30 days. Every single time you pass a mirror, you must make a specific, powerful micro-expression of dominance. Why? Look up facial feedback hypothesis. Your facial expressions create your emotional state. We are forcing confidence into your amygdala. You've just witnessed a blueprint, a psychological operating system. But an operating system is useless without a user. The next 30 days will pass, regardless of what you do. The question isn't, can you change? The question is, will you let your brain stay in prison, or will you use the keys? The invisible architecture is yours to build. Let's see who you are on day 31.